keep it real. Ooh, let's play a game. Simon says I'm still that bitch. Ayy, I'm still that bitch. Yeah, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Acting.
Okay, what's poppin', y'all? Scorpiontouch here. It's your girl Shay. Boom. Drop it if you heard it. But it's Scorpiontouch. And today I decided that I'm gonna give my little bathroom, a little makeover. Me and my brother share a bathroom together. And boys don't decorate, So I decided I'm gonna get some stuff. I'm gonna go ahead, put a little color to it, make it look better than what it looked like. But I'll show y'all what the bathroom look like. Then I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and we're gonna get it on and pop straight up. Okay, y'all, this is the bathroom. Ain't big, ain't fancy. This is the house that we living in temporary. So I got a couple of things. I got maybe most of all this from Dollar Tree. You got the shower curtain, cute color. We got the liner, of course. Keep it clean, clear. Let's see. We got a toothbrush holder in blue to match the shower curtain. Got some hand soap. Hand soap. Some lime away for the toilet. We got some bowl fresheners. Actually, I got 2 of these bowl fresheners because I like the way they be smelling. We got a rug, because we need a rug to stand on after getting out the tub. And it's soft and comfy. Some drop-in scrub rubber. I love this. It makes the water blue for the toilet, and it continue cleaning your toilet bowls. We got some Dow's antibacterial soap for bath. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Y'all don't judge me. I have to use the sanitizer. Keep the door open. Not sanitizer. Alcohol. So I got some scrubbing sponges for the tub. Got some tissue on deck. Actually, I got 2 packs of tissue. Got some garbage bags that smell like mountain air scent. And they blue to go with the thing. Got a toilet bowl scrubber. Yes, indeed. Another pack of tissue right there. Alright, so that's the bathroom before it gets clean. And yeah, what's poppin'? So I'm taking everything out that don't need to be up in there, throwing away stuff that's open or stuff that just need to be thrown away. We got the scrubbing foam for the sink. We're gonna spray that and let it set. I'm gonna spray it in the tub and let it set in the tub also. This stuff smells good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It smells really good.
Alright, we got some. Now I'm gonna wait for the toilet. Oh my god, this was my favorite. Because it had the whole house smelling like limes. Oh my god, it was good. We're gonna put that in the toilet bowl. We're gonna let that set. Give it some scrubs. Let it set again with some more of it. Okay, y'all, I didn't know you're not supposed to spray bathroom cleaner on the mirror. And I did, and I kind of smudged the mirror. So don't spray it on the mirror. Don't do like me. Oh, my God. But after I put alcohol and wiped it again, and it was perfectly clean, perfecto. Okay? You know you gotta sweep. Always sweep when you are cleaning, because sweeping would give it a whole new feeling. You can clean all you want, but if it's the floor still look dirty, it's not gonna feel the same. I had to take out the trash, sweep underneath the sink. I don't know what this thing is, and I found it underneath the sink, y'all. I don't know if it's still unclogged something or what. So, now that that's all swept and all clean and sitting and all that stuff, I took the shower curtain down, which the shower curtain was old and nasty looking. And I'm taking the hooks from the shower curtain on this one, which was that pretty blue, and I'm going to put it on the new one. Because I forgot to buy shower curtain hooks. So I got the plastic, clear plastic, you know, the color. Ooh, I love that color, especially that green on there. Oh my gosh. You don't know how good it bring out the blue. But I'm putting that together, gonna put that up. Honestly, y'all, I did not finish this video, so that's what this voiceover is. But the video came out, the bathroom came out super clean, super nice. In one of my other videos, I pop up a picture. If I remember, I pop up a picture of what the bathroom looked like. But I did a good job, and everything was all blued out and so cute. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share my video, and don't forget, I forgot. That's funny, because I don't know what I was supposed to say. But you know what? I'll see you in the next video anyway. Okay? Bye. Gang, Scorpiontouch.